Hello, this is Jeana, and today I have lesson 2 on using your Anma. So I'm really excited about this lesson. For the last week, you've been working on the forehead and the top of the head, releasing all the tension through here. Now we can get in and start releasing tension around the eyes so we can see the eyes lifting up and softening up. Let's see here. I'm going to get my hair a little bit out of my way here. So today when I do this, I'm going to use a little bit of the hyaluronic shea mask that comes with your Anma because I want to have a little bit of a glide. I don't want too much glide, but I want just enough that things glide easily on the skin. So I'm just going to use a little bit of my hyaluronic shea mask. Go ahead, just apply a little bit in those areas where I know I'm going to be working. Great. Now I'm going to take my Anma, and again, these are my thumbs, these are my fingers. I'm going to take the fingers and I'm going to sandwich my eyebrows between the fingers. I'm going to start there. I'm using very soft pressure. I just want to warm those tissues. The fascia does not need a lot of deep tissue work. It's very superficial. So all you really need to do is be warming it and giving it some gentle friction, and that begins to soften those muscles in that area. After doing that for a few minutes, I'm going to get in and work the pressure points around the eyes. So we have pressure points here, pressure points up right in here. Feels good just to touch them. And then we have pressure points out here and right out here. So I'm going to take the thumb of my Anma. I'm going to get in there, find that little pressure point, press, release. Get this one up here. Same thing, press, release. I'm going to do the other side. Now I'm going to keep coming back, and I want to do 3 rounds on the pressure points. So I'll do the pressure points, and then I'll get in there and I will do some more of this massaging. Then I will go back to the pressure points again and then do massaging, and then a 3rd time on the pressure points. Getting good here. There we go. Now I'm going to go back in and I'm going to do my windshield wipers again. Getting in between the brows there. Back and forth. Same thing, back and forth, just above the brows, just below the brows. Again, doing my pressure points. Let's get this right. There we go. Pressure points. You can take your time and go a little bit slower than this. I don't want to keep you sitting here watching this video forever, so I'm going a little faster than I do when I'm at home. And then one more time, windshield wipers. And again with the pressure points. So we hit our pressure points for our last time, each spot. And then we're going to come in and work just gently under the orbital bone here. We tend to get little expression lines, kitty whiskers and here. So I'm going to work on my cross fiber friction around my little kitty whiskers. Come down around under the eye. And I'm going to do some cross fiber friction here on the side. In here. Again, this is really gentle, so I'm not bruising the eye area at all. I'm just using very gentle movements that increase the blood flow, release adhesions. It also helps with your sinuses. This can help with sinus headaches, sinus congestion, allergies, puffy eyes. This is going to help increase circulation. It's going to help that lymphatic area to drain under the eyes. Really softens the skin up here. And I'm always going to do this on myself before I do my microcurrent treatments. If I'm doing a microcurrent treatment in my studio, I'm going to do this on my client first. And then I'm going to go in and do the lifting movements to lift the brows and lift the cheekbones and everything else. So that, my friends, is lesson number 2. And we're working the tension out from around our eye area. Feels fabulous. I hope you enjoy that this week. So this week you're going to do your forehead, continue to do your forehead and your scalp. And now you're going to add in the eye area. All right. Have fun, and I'll see you back here next week for our 3rd lesson. Have a great day.